Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add LangDB tracing to the Google ADK Travel Concierge sample. First, open the sample and drop in this snippet of code. That's it! Now let's run the agent with a simple prompt. Find me flights from JFK to London. While the request is processing, switch to the LangDB dashboard. On the Models page, you'll see virtual models that your project can access, but the real action is under Threads. Select the latest thread, and you'll get a step-by-step timeline of the conversation. Tool calls, agent transfers, assistant messages, and the final answer, all neatly time-stamped. Click Traces and expand to full screen for the bird's eye view. Here, we have an overview of our session showing us cost, input and output tokens used, and the total duration. A Gantt chart shows how long each step took, and a dependency graph maps every agent, tool, and model involved in the workflow. Drill into the Planning Agent node, and you'll see it runs on Claude 3.7 Sonnet with its attached tools. Total transparency without digging into logs. So, with 2 import lines, you get end-to-end tracing, real-time cost and token stats, and visual graphs for debugging and optimization. That's how easy it is to integrate LangDB into your Google ADK workflow.